Hello guys, what's up? So in this video we are going to make an RC steering system again. I'm using these kinds of tire for my steering system, and also you need this part. You can easily get that from your old RC car, and simply you can put the axle in the rim of the tire. But if the diameter of the tire is bigger than the axle, simply you need a piece of paper for the increasing in the size of the axle. Just follow my steps if what I am doing in the axle. As you can see here, I am rolling it in around the axle, and simply I will put super glue in on it so it will be stronger and will not move easily. As guys, you can see my hand suffering in super glue. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my hard work. As you can see guys, it's perfect now, not same before it was moving in the axle, so but now it's not moving. After that you can put also super glue in the axle so it will be stronger bonding in the axle and the tire. After that you need a PVC sheet and cut it into the pieces like that. Then after that, cutting the pieces, you can make hole in the both side of pieces and make a shape like that. You can also use a drill machine, screwdriver, anything you can use to make holes like that. And after that you need to make sure that the tire is moving easily in the circles of holes of the plastic piece. Then you need another one piece of plastic and attach that as I am doing in that video, and follow my steps to create a perfect and nice steering system. I'm also attaching another one small plastic piece for the strong bonding in the plastic. After that you put the another one piece of plastic, the hub holes in the same position in the down. And it is important to check the tilt of the wheels because you need to be balanced in the both side. If the wheels are tilted in some different directions, the steering system will be not work properly, and maybe you will face some errors like mechanical problems. Here as you can see, I am putting more super glue because I don't want later it will come broke. Now you need a wire, steel wire, any kind of wire, but have a strong not easily coming bending, and turn that thing in the shape like that. This is a little part of making the wire in the shape of your desire. Then simply follow my steps guys as I am doing in my video, because I don't know the part of name of that part, the steering I got in my old RC car. Just follow my steps. Here you can see it's really moving nice because I properly checking the tilt of the wheels and the gap in the wheels, then it's really working nice. Wait for the next video because I am going to make an RC Jeep. This steering system I will use in my RC Jeep, and for more videos and my next latest videos you can subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. After that I am putting another piece of plastic in the top so I can put servo in that. You can use servo, but I am using this kind of TT motor. If I am right, the name of this motor is like TT motor, I am going to cut the if we are the axle of the TT motor, because I am going to use that C. After that, putting the axle, then you need to make a hole in the you got from the TT motor. Be careful in this part, because maybe you can hurt your hands, you know. But me, I am doing be very careful about these things, because I got more accident in my hand, and after that I can't work properly with my one finger, you know, because got more accidents, you know. So be careful always. After that, you just put the TT motor or any kind of servo if you are using in that place, then just simply put super glue. Super glue is life, guys. And I'm sure after I put very more super glue, it's not moving anywhere and not coming broke easily. Then I am attaching the receiver, and you can see, guys, it's really working properly. Power of this damn thing is really nice, and I think I need to use that more TT motors, because it's like very strong in the steering systems. And I am preferring this TT motor instead of servo, because these are less voltage and don't need any ESCs like that, you know. If you enjoy my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video of this.